In the year 2012, the presenters of Top Gear issued a warning. China is not just making cars, it's getting ready to dominate them. At that time, many saw it as a simple curiosity, just another TV anecdote, nothing serious. But today, more than a decade later, those words sound prophetic. What once seemed like a remote possibility has become an unstoppable reality. In this video, we travel back in time to relive that historic moment and connect it with the present, a present in which the Chinese automotive industry has not just grown, it has overtaken the traditional giants. Brands like BYD, NIO, XPeng, Zeekr aren't competing, they're leading. Technology, mass production, design, software, energy efficiency, total connectivity. Meanwhile, the West watches and reacts, sometimes too late. This video is not just an analysis, it's a mirror, showing us how the world has changed without us even noticing. Get ready, because this is no longer the future, it is the present. And the new automotive order already has a new leader.
So, James May, would you buy a Railway 350 in Britain?
No.
No?
Nope. Would you buy a Tram G?
Only if it was very cheap. But look at it this way. In just 5 years, China has gone from making that, whatever it is, to making these. Now, with that rate of progress, where are they going to be in 5 years' time?
Oh, in 5 years' time, everybody will be driving Chinese cars.
So, are we witnessing a new golden age of the automobile, or the end of the industry as we knew it? Will traditional brands be able to catch up, or will it be too late? Are we ready to accept that leadership no longer lies in the West? And most importantly, do we want to compete, or simply watch as history passes us by? Because this isn't just about cars, it's about innovation, industrial pride, and the future. The revolution is no longer coming, it's happening, and it's coming from the East. If this video made you think, if it opened your eyes, give it a like, share it, and subscribe. Because on this channel, we don't just talk about car design, we talk about change, about the future, and about how to understand it before it runs you over. See you in the next video.